Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another MAT 170 concept session. My name is Nick, and I work at the ASU Tutoring Centers, and today we're going to be talking about fractional probability. Now, when we address a question that involves fractional probability, really the general form that we're going to be looking for here is the total amount of outcomes and then this is going to be under the amount, I'm just going to do number sign, the amount of outcomes that essentially we're looking for. And I'll show you what that means in a second here. So if we, go ahead and just look at this example problem real quick. So Susan has a bag containing 4 red marbles, 3 green, 2 white, and 1 purple. What is the probability that she pulls a red marble out of the bag? Let's just go ahead and stop there. There is another part to this question, but we'll get there after this. So first off, let's just kind of visualize this real quick. So we have 4 red marbles, right? 3 green, 2 white, and a purple, right? And then I'll go ahead and do our green, white, and then purple. Okay, so Susan is just randomly pulling one of these marbles out of the bag, right? And what they want us to do is find the probability that she pulls a red marble. So if we plug everything back into our original formula that we were talking about beforehand, let's first think about the total amount of outcomes. So in this kind of simulation, right, I can pick any of the marbles, right? So any marble technically constitutes an outcome, right? So the total amount of outcomes would just be the total amount of marbles, right? So that means that for a total of 10, right? 10 total outcomes. Now, the number of outcomes that I'm looking for, well, what does that mean, right? Well, what they tell us is they're trying to find the probability that she pulls out a red marble, right? So really what we're looking for is any of the outcomes where I pull a red marble, which would be 4, right? Because there are 4 possible red marbles that I could pull. And that would be the probability. And you can actually reduce this down to 2/5. And that would be the probability for part 1. Now, if we continue reading the question, they say, given she pulls a red out of the bag and does not replace it, what is the probability she pulls a purple one out of the bag? So basically what they're saying is this marble is picked, right? So now there are only 3 red marbles, 3 greens, 2 whites, and 1 purple, right? So from here, we're going to do the same exact thing, right? So there are now 9 marbles in the bag, which mean 9 total amounts of outcomes, right? And then the number of outcomes we're looking for, well, they want us to find the probability that she pulls a purple one, which is there's only 1 purple one in the bag, right? So even though we already did pull one, that probability is still going to be significantly low, right? Because there's only 1 purple out of all the other ones, which would give us an answer of 1/9, right? Because there are 9 total marbles, 9 total amount of outcomes, and then we're only looking to pull that 1 specific purple marble. But again, things like fractional probability can apply to a lot of different applications. So I definitely recommend checking out some more examples. If you would like to receive some more help on this concept, definitely check out our website, tutoring.asu.edu /content/tutor-search. This will take you to a spot where you can kind of pick through the academic service that works best for you. Or also, if you're looking for just general tutoring, you can also enter in any kind of course that you would like tutoring for, and it'll actually spit out a tutoring schedule with all of the tutors that can tutor that specific course. But other than that, that's all I have for you today. So I hope you have a great rest of your day and best of luck in your course.